Best content writer websites for freelance writers. Hello, this is Amir Hussein and welcome to Online Income Generation YouTube channel. Today I want to introduce you best websites for writing and making money. It's the best way for people to make money who enjoy writing. So the first one is writingstudio.com. Expect content to increase your traffic. You can sign up at Writing Studio as freelancers and get projects. Writing Studio charges clients anywhere from 2 cents per word for an order under 5,000 words to 12 cents per word for over 10,000 words. Writing Studio is a non-stop shop for high-quality content written by experts. But Writing Studio does charge slightly more than competitors. This was the pros and cons. The next one is contentwriters.com. Quality content at scale. Access content writing services from a network of specialized professional writers. You can sign up here for more information. Content writers charge per project, not per word. Expect to pay more than $100 for a blog post, 300 to 500 word article delivered in 5 days, or $120 for a faster turnaround of 3 days. The pros is all the writers at contentwriters.com are US writers, and this is the pros for employers. And the cons for the content writers have a good track record of delivering high quality content to their clients, and it's one of the best websites for US writers to sign up. The third one is Verblio.com. Verblio also is a US-based blog and content writing service specializing in SEO optimized content, and it's very good for digital marketers. All writers of Verblio understand SEO and are based from the United States. The company has excellent reviews on G2, rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars. The next website is Upwork that I explained it at the previous video. If you haven't seen the previous video that I talked about 20 best freelance websites, please don't forget to watch the video after this video. You can earn money for per hour writing, for example, $15 to $80 for per hour. And it's very nice for a freelancer. Number 5 is Express Writers. Expresswriters.com publish ready content in 75% less time while eliminating the stress of hiring and managing writers. It's the slogan of Express Writers. Express Writers is an easy-to-use service, and they train the writers for SEO. You can get money between 9 cents per word for a general writer and 30 cents per word for the most experienced writers as writers freelancers. Number 6 is Compose.ly. Expert content writing services that drive results. You can sign up at Compose.ly to make money online. They charge the clients minimum of $75 per 500 words, but it's cheaper than competitors like Upwork. You can sign up here and do the works from now. Number 7 is Word Agents. Word Agents is a premium SEO content writing service. I'll explain about SEO and digital marketing at next videos, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Every week I teach you the ways for making online income. Word Agents have good reviews from previous clients on several blogs and have a 3.2 out of 5 star average rating from writers on Glassdoor. It charges the clients 6 cents per word to 12 cents. It depends on the word counts. Number 8 is Contently. Meet your content marketing demand. It's the slogan. You can sign up at Contently. Contently has a very good 4.6 out of 5 star rating on G2, but the company only hire the experienced writers. It's an experience service for customers. It charges the customers about $3,000 per month to use their service. Number 9 is crowdcontent.com. Crowd Content has thousands of writers to choose from, and you can hire at Crowd Content and you can work with them as a freelance writer. And the platform got 4 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot. 1-star writers cost differently than 5-star writers. I mean, it depends how much you are experienced to get money online. And the last one is Writer Access. Higher Access is another platform to connect with content writers, and if you sign up here and work with them, you can make money because the website charges membership fees of between $40 to $100 per month. If you're a freelance writer, you should know that at Writer Access you have a different rating. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and it should be useful for you. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And if you had any experience to working with these websites, I'd like to hear from you. Bye bye.